What are you doing out there?
Come on, Nick. Come with me, Nick.
Flying? This is what not to do. That fence is moving. It's gonna